Earth is a billion-dollar umbilical cord that humanity is desperately trying to cut. Every kilogram launched from Earth costs enormous amounts of money. Every critical supply delivered to Mars creates a dangerous dependency. Right now, every vision of a Martian colony still relies on a constant stream of cargo ships. But what happens when those shipments stop? What happens when a solar storm destroys communications or a launch fails? What happens when Earth itself becomes unable to help? A settlement that depends on Earth is not a civilization. It is a remote outpost living on borrowed time. To create the first true city on Mars, humanity must achieve complete independence. The secret blueprint for that future may already exist hidden beneath the Martian surface. Mars is one of the most hostile environments humans have ever encountered. Its atmosphere is too thin to breathe, and temperatures can plunge below -100 degrees Celsius. Cosmic radiation relentlessly bombards the surface every second of every day. Beneath the surface lies a vast network of ancient lava tubes, gigantic tunnels carved by volcanic activity. Some of these underground caverns are so massive, they could swallow entire city blocks. Protected by hundreds of meters of rock, these natural structures offer shielding from radiation and extreme temperatures. Future settlers may move underground, transforming lava tubes into the foundations of the first permanent Martian metropolis. A civilization cannot exist without reliable power. Solar panels may work during clear days, but planet-wide dust storms can darken the sky for weeks. Many colony concepts center around advanced nuclear technologies, particularly molten salt reactors. These systems could operate continuously for years, providing stable energy for entire underground cities. Every greenhouse manufacturing machine and oxygen generator would depend on this constant energy source. Food represents one of the biggest challenges for any self-sustaining settlement. Future Martian cities may rely on enormous vertical hydroponic farms built inside pressurized underground chambers. Plants would grow in nutrient-rich water solutions under carefully controlled LED lighting. Every drop of water would be recycled and every gram of organic waste processed and returned to the system. Artificial intelligence would monitor plant health, nutrient levels, humidity, and oxygen production around the clock. Over time, these underground farms could produce food sufficient to feed thousands without requiring a single shipment from Earth. Local manufacturing is perhaps the most revolutionary part of the blueprint. Mars possesses vast quantities of regolith, the fine dust and rock that covers its surface. Advanced manufacturing systems could process regolith into construction blocks, metals, glass, and ceramics. Massive autonomous robots would extract resources, refine materials, and feed them into industrial-scale 3D printers. Homes, laboratories, roads, and expansion modules could all be produced using local resources. Every structure built from Martian soil would reduce dependence on Earth and move the colony closer to sovereignty. The ultimate goal is a completely closed-loop ecosystem. Water is recycled, air is recycled, waste is recycled, and materials are recycled. Every resource becomes part of a continuous cycle designed to minimize losses and maximize efficiency. Carbon dioxide exhaled by residents feeds crops and crops generate oxygen for residents. Organic waste becomes fertilizer. Water purification systems recover nearly every usable molecule. In such a system, nothing is truly discarded. Everything is transformed. The city effectively becomes a giant living machine. Technology and biology work together to sustain human life indefinitely. Now imagine the day it finally happens. The last cargo ship from Earth lands on Mars. Not because another mission is impossible, but because another mission is unnecessary. The city no longer waits for supplies. It no longer depends on distant governments, corporations, or launch schedules. Its power comes from its own reactors. Its food grows in its own farms. Its buildings rise from its own soil. Its factories manufacture their own tools. For the first time in human history, a civilization exists beyond Earth that can survive entirely on its own. The first self-sustaining city on Mars will not be built beneath fragile glass domes. Instead, It will rise from the shadows of an ancient world, hidden deep inside colossal lava tubes. These vast underground caverns may become the foundations of humanity's greatest engineering achievement. Protected by hundreds of meters of solid rock, future Martian citizens will live in shielded environments. They will be safe from cosmic radiation, meteor impacts, and brutal planetary extremes. Inside these underground cities, artificial sunlight will illuminate sprawling vertical farms. Advanced reactors will provide uninterrupted power. Autonomous robots will tirelessly expand habitats and manufacture tools. Martian soil will be transformed into the building materials of an entirely new civilization. Every drop of water will be recycled. Every breath of air will be regenerated. Every resource will be carefully managed within a self-sustaining ecosystem. This vision is about far more than survival. It represents a turning point in the story of our species. For over 300,000 years, every human who has ever lived has shared a single home: Earth. For the first time, humanity may establish a permanent civilization beyond its birthplace. A civilization capable of standing on its own, making its own decisions, and producing its own resources. When that moment arrives, Mars will no longer be a distant frontier or experiment. It will become humanity's second home, filled with communities, industries, discoveries, and dreams. Future generations may look back on the first Martian city as the place where a new chapter began. The journey will be difficult and the risks enormous. Challenges may push human ingenuity to its absolute limits. If we succeed, the reward could be extraordinary. Humanity will no longer be confined to a single planet. We will become a multi-planetary civilization capable of expanding across the solar system. Somewhere beneath the red deserts, inside tunnels forged by ancient fire, the future may already be waiting. None of this belongs to a distant science fiction movie. The technologies required are already being developed today. Every breakthrough in nuclear energy, robotics, AI, manufacturing, and exploration brings us closer. The question is no longer whether humans can reach Mars. The real question is whether we can build a civilization capable of surviving there forever. The first city may begin as a small underground settlement, but one day could grow into millions. Future generations may remember this moment as the beginning of humanity's greatest expansion beyond Earth. Would you leave Earth forever to become one of the first citizens of Mars? Let us know your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The future is being built right now, and you're watching it unfold.